Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to install Strapi on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video you'll have it fully installed and running.
mivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, let's install the required dependencies using the following command. Next, we'll install Node.js using these commands. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Check your Node and NPM versions using these commands. Now let's install PostgreSQL. Use the following commands to install it. Let's log in into the PostgreSQL shell to create our database and user using these commands. Next, we'll create a new Strapi project with this command. During the setup you will be asked to log in, but we are going to skip this step. Next, you can customize the settings to your liking, for example by choosing custom to select PostgreSQL and connect the user we just created. However, since this is just a demonstration, we will leave everything by as default. Now let's navigate into the project folder and start it up. Next, open your web browser and go to your server IP address followed by port 3037/admin. Complete the registration and you're ready to start working with Strapi. To keep your Strapi running even after you close the terminal, use the following commands. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching mivoCloud.